Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from Sophie Lawson. Oh, he come out a bit early, didn't he? That's what she said. But this is little Lenny the Lion, and he's joining us once again we're looking at the ImagineFX magazines for the year of 2015. And this one here is issue number 118, February 2015. So last week we looked at this one here, which was a January issue. Beautiful, that was fun, that one. Let's see what the cover's like. I got a feeling this cover is going to be one of my favourites for quite a long time. I think it'd be my favourite for the... Let's see what we've got. What do you reckon we've got? Oh, we've got another beauty. I feel like this is the same artist who did a cover in about 2013 or something. There was this beautiful cover in 2013. Do you know what? I think that is actually my new favourite. Well, this is a good sign because we've already got two amazing covers here. This is brilliant. So this one here is all going to be about painting. Look, new art skills. How beautiful is she? This is one thing I dislike about the ImagineFX magazines, is how glossy the covers is. Because it makes it very hard for videos, and also I personally prefer matte covers. But it doesn't matter because this is beautiful. This one, I can't wait to get into this. Little Larry's going to let us in. Boing! I want to see more from this artist. So we've got our friend Claire, little editor. She's cool, she is. We're going to give her a kiss every issue, right? If I remember. Hey, I remember this one. Charlie Bowater. That's a sketching. We've got this one here. Looks a bit like the character Turrican from a video game in like the 80s or 90s. That is so amazing. That we've got some cool dynamic characters. So I think this is going to be a fun one. This is the not DVD, which I don't currently look at those, but I'm going to do that in the future. I'm going to round up all of that in the future. But this one is all about the magazines. This is the FX Pose bit. Is this Star Wars? Got a feeling that's Star Wars, isn't it? Looks cool. Yay, I like this. Oh yeah. Look at her, look. That character with the owl. And this one. Oh, cool characters here. These two here are fantastic. You almost can imagine them being like opposites. Good versus evil or something. Who's this artist? I think we need to look into this one because that's cool. That is. That's my sort of artwork. That is. And then look, we've gone from that sort of to like straight lines. It's weird, isn't it? How? Oh, this is brilliant. Look, she's living inside of a thing from a plane, a jet engine. Fishing. Cool. See, I'd like to live in a world like that. I think it'd be quite cool. I like how she's in this sort of... You get the feeling the world's been destroyed or something, and yet she's still dressing sexy. There's something quite cool about that, because it's sort of like... It's almost like she doesn't really belong in that setting. But that's what makes it so cool, I think. We've got a little baby here, it's a bit creepy. That's quite scary, isn't it? Creepy babies. Imagine a talking baby. Imagine a little baby comes out and it's talking. That'd be weird, wouldn't it? It'd be funny as well if it was a posh one. Make me a cup of tea. How to make 2015 your best year yet. I enjoyed 2015. It was quite a fun Quite an exciting year. It was a hard one, but it was, yay, monsters. I like this as well, look. Jose Van Negron's art studio. That's cool. He's got a, is that a PS4 he's got there? There's a he's got a PS3 there, look. PS3. I think he's got a PS4, an Xbox One, a PS3 and a something else. Look all the games he's got as well. That's cool, isn't it? I like this room. I feel like I'd be distracted in that room though. I like that room. Yeah, he's got a little cat as well. Little pretty cat. Anatomy. Cool. Look, blowing bubbles. Artists Q&A section. That's like Earth Defence Force. Nice colours. Concept art legend. Kang Lee. That's pretty mad, isn't it? See, I wouldn't want to live in that world. Where's the trees? Where's the sky? You can't even see the sky. But Feng Su. This is good. It's a bunch of different artists. Got another creepy baby. Oh, this is fantastic here. I've seen these somewhere before. I wonder what they're from there. I've seen them before somewhere. Look at that. That's Portal, isn't it? What's he got there? He's got some sort of... I thought he had a portal gun, but it looks like a glove. That's nice. I like that. Oh, I love this, look. Charlie Bowater. I must have had this issue in the past, because I've actually sketched that in one of my old sketchbooks. And what I did was I started sketching this, but I didn't do all of it. And I liked the way it ended up, because I only did half of it. Oh, I love this artist. Charlie Bowater. This is an artist to look into, I think. We've got a little workshop going on. That's thingy, isn't it? Gandalf. They're creating little models. Beautiful. Who's this artist here? Miles Johnston. Hey, look, there's their website and stuff. Miles Johnston. What a lovely one this is. And it starts out with quite a chaotic sketch. Although in saying that, the chaos is still sort of there, isn't it? It's a bit like she's a manifestation of the universe. Because I almost see like the universe here as if she's a female form of the universe. See, I don't like the look of it here, but see, if you walked in at that stage, you'd think, and then look how much she evolved. This is nice. Simplify your lines and values. Beautiful brush strokes. That's Larry's environment, that is. I think he'd like that. So next week we're going into the sci-fi. That would be fun. Especially if we have like female sci-fi characters. Oh yeah. Yeah, I drew that one once. I sketched that in. So yeah, I must have gone through this one and sketched. Create dynamic characters. These are cool, these are. Arthur Mask. That's brilliant, isn't it? Especially that one. And this one, I like him. I reckon he's quite friendly. He's just got a look of scary look sort of thing. Oh yeah, quickly develop colour and mud. Love the like you can sort of feel her skin somehow. Yes, I like the textures of that one. Look, blue to orange. Interesting. Take your art onto the road. We've got like a... That's cool. I like the look of that guy there. Yeah, I prefer the style of him there. Interesting, that one. That looks beautiful there, look, when you see the whole thing. Here we go into our reviews. Is that Morrigan from Dragon Age? Mischief? What's this? Making Mischief. The foundry takes the reins of the inner... don't know what that is. I like the name though, Mischief. Quite a cool name, that. Creating believable 3D environments. That's a DVD, that. The Art of Film Magic. Beginner's Guide to Digital Painting in Photoshop. 3D Total Publishing. Oh look, a Battlestar Galactica art book by the looks of it. I love the look at that. Battlestar Galactica was brilliant. The remake they did. I never watched the original. I love the traditional art bit. Fishy. Mushrooms, look. Magic mushrooms. Life drawing. Get him, look. I've always thought this. Imagine if you use that life drawing. Because when I used to go to life drawing class, when you was all drawing, it most of the time it was quite silent. So for like about half an hour maybe, there's not really much noise. I always thought, imagine if the model farted, because sometimes they're bending over in these weird positions. What do you think would happen if someone farted, like the model? A James Kearney. Fantasy buildings, marquettes. Oh yeah, that's thingy, isn't it? Neverending Story. Drawing with graphite and gold. Taking the theme of the Neverend. I love that. The Neverending Story. Da, 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 da. That's cool. Who's this guy here? Oh, I don't know. I've got a feeling that's Bruce Pennington, that is. And that's it. That's another one gone. Look how beautiful that cover is. I know I said it about this one, but I've got a feeling this one here will be my favourite of the year. Because for me, that's actually almost perfection. I can't really see anything that I would change about that. But I hope you enjoyed that. Next week we'll be looking at this one, which will be issue number 219, but this was issue number 218 for February 2015. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later for another one.